Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Kinetic Sand Box is probably one of the most engaging and sensory-rich toys for children and adults, offering endless creative possibilities and a unique tactile experience. Its portability, thanks to the folding design, makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor play, ensuring fun wherever you go. We will explore the features, benefits, and overall value of this innovative toy, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your playtime arsenal. Number 5. Kinetic Sand Construction Site. Get ready for hours of fun with this amazing construction set. It includes everything you need to build and create your own miniature world. This crane is awesome. Use the bucket to scoop up the kinetic sand and the wrecking ball to demolish your creations. It's so much fun to build and then knock it down. Load up the dump truck with kinetic sand and use the molds to create amazing brick walls for your construction site. Watch your building grow. The folding sandbox keeps everything contained for easy cleanup and portability. It's perfect for playing anywhere, anytime. This set is perfect for kids aged 3 and up. It encourages creativity and imaginative play. Dig, build, and crush your way to fun. It's made from natural sand, so it's safe and easy to clean up. The sand magically sticks together, making it perfect for all sorts of creative projects. This set includes 2 pounds of kinetic sand, a crane, a dump truck, brick molds, a folding sandbox, and instructions. Everything you need for endless fun. What we like? It features a construction theme with a crane and dump truck, making playtime more engaging. The folding sandbox provides a contained play area and is easy to store. If your child loves construction vehicles and imaginative play, this is the perfect set for them. What people say? The container it comes in is very sturdy, the locks work very well and are easy to open and close. It's also easy to store. It folds in half and everything fits nicely inside the box. It's really cool how the dump truck has slots to make bricks with the sand. Number 4. Kinetic Sand Folding Sandbox. It's the original magical sand that's moldable and squeezable. Feel how it flows through your fingers like liquid, but leaves them completely dry. It feels cool and wet, just like real sand at the beach, but without the mess. It never dries out and cleans up easily. With 7 tools and molds, you have everything you need to create amazing sandcastles and more. The folding sandbox keeps everything contained for easy play and cleanup. It inspires creativity and develops sensory skills. Kids can build and rebuild anything they imagine, again and again. It's made from all natural sand and is safe for pretend play, arts, and crafts. It magically sticks together, making cleanup a breeze. You get 2 pounds of kinetic sand, 5 molds, 2 tools, and a convenient folding sandbox. Everything you need for hours of fun. What we like? This set boasts 7 different molds and tools, offering diverse building possibilities. It's mess-free, ensuring a clean and enjoyable experience. If you prioritize variety and a clean play experience, this is the ideal choice for your child. What people say? The sand is so beautiful and sparkly, the case is sturdy and easy to clean up transport. The kinetic sand has provided countless hours of fun when the grandkids visit. Took this with us on a day trip. My daughter was able to keep herself occupied without asking for a device. Also brought it to a party where there weren't many kids just to have an activity to keep her busy. It sure did that. The sand is great because it sticks together and the set comes with toys for loads of fun. Number 3. Kinetic Sand Folding Sandbox. It's the squeezable sand kids love. It flows like liquid but keeps hands dry. Prepare for hours of oozing, moving, and melting fun. It feels cool and wet but cleans up easily. It never dries out and sticks only to itself, making cleanup a breeze. With over 20 ways to play, it has everything you need to build amazing sandcastles. The folding sandbox makes playtime and cleanup simple. It's perfect for developing creativity and sensory skills. Kids can create anything they imagine, again and again. It's made from natural sand and is non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and free of wheat, gluten, and casein. It's perfect for sand art and kids' crafts. You get 2 pounds of kinetic sand, 5 molds, 2 tools, and 1 Kinetic Sand Folding Sandbox. It's covered by the Spin Master Care commitment. What we like? It includes 7 molds and tools for creative building, and the mess-free nature of the sand makes cleanup a breeze. If you are looking for a sensory experience with lots of creative options and easy cleanup, this is the perfect choice. What people say? This is so much better than random plastic containers to storage the kinetic sand away when not played. Before we got this, we used a food plastic container to keep the sand when not played and pour them out on the play table when played, and it's so annoying having to pick up every small pieces from the play table when done playing. So much better. Saves me lots of time cleaning up. At first though I wasn't sure it could hold 8 pounds of the kinetic sand we got, glad it works out great. Either side can hold 8 pounds of sand without it filling over the edge, so we could put all the sand on one side when putting away and close the other side of lid on top. It's big, and you can use one side for molding and one side for the rest of the sand. The sand is very soft and doesn't seem to ever dry out. Number 2. Kinetic Sandisfactory Set. It's the original squeezable sand kids love. Feel it flow through your fingers like slow-moving liquid. It oozes, moves, and melts in a satisfying way. With the included tools and molds, you can transform it like never before. Mix, cut, pull, shape, and scoop it to reveal surprising designs. It comes in red, blue, yellow, black, and rare white. Mix colors together to create new ones and use the tools to make amazing designs. This inspires creativity and develops sensory skills. Kids can create anything they imagine, again and again. It's a fun gift for kids aged 3 and up. It's perfect for sand art and kids' crafts. Made from natural sand, it's a great birthday or holiday gift. It includes 4.5 pounds of kinetic sand, a dome mold, cube stampers, tools, a knife, a squisher plate, a sandbox, a backdrop, and instructions. It's covered by the Spin Master Care commitment. What we like? This set offers a generous 4.5 pounds of kinetic sand in multiple colors, allowing for extensive creative exploration. The abundance of tools and molds provides endless possibilities for building and shaping. If you want a large quantity of sand and a wide array of tools, this is the ultimate set. What people say? The texture of the kinetic sand is mesmerizing. It's soft, pliable, and has a unique, almost therapeutic feel that captivates not only my toddler but also the adults in the room. The sand molds easily into different shapes, making it the perfect canvas for imaginative play. Cleanup is a breeze, too. Unlike traditional Play-Doh or other messy play materials, kinetic sand sticks to itself, making it easy to gather and put back into its container. It does not dry out and it has little toys for making shapes. Number 1. Kinetic Sand Folding Sandbox. It's like magic. This sand sticks to itself, not you. Watch it ooze and flow, then leave your hands completely dry and clean. Enjoy the fun of playing with sand without the mess. It won't stick to anything but itself, keeping your clothes and surroundings clean. With molds and tools, it sparks imagination and improves dexterity. Build and rebuild again and again, the possibilities are endless. Made with a special formula, it's hypoallergenic and non-toxic, perfect for indoor or outdoor play for children aged 3 and up. This set includes everything you need: 2 pounds of kinetic sand, 5 molds, 2 tools, and a convenient folding sandbox for easy cleanup and storage. Give the gift of endless creative fun. It's a unique and engaging sensory experience kids will love. What we like? It comes with 7 molds and tools, promoting creativity and fine motor skills development. The sand's unique properties ensure a mess-free experience. If you are looking for educational and creative play with easy cleanup, this is the perfect option for your child. What people say? Sand stays together and doesn't dry out if left out for some time. Doesn't make a huge mess. The molds are super easy for young ones to use after they've been shown how. Most important part is that it is a quiet toy. Amazing quality. So satisfying to play with, and thankfully no damage to the vacuum for easy cleanup. The Koffer is praktical zum Verstaan. Wir sind begeistert vom Produkt und der Qualität. Lasst sich sehr einfach wieder sauber machen, wenn mal was aus dem Koffer herausgekommen wird. Das Sandbergen bauen funktioniert mit den Beigefügten Formchen super. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.